Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be doing a Zara haul. All the sizes and links will be listed down below in the description box, as well as my measurements for your reference. Before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will greatly appreciate it. So the first piece we'll be starting with today will be these Zara jeans. I really love these. They're really cute. They're extremely ripped. They're so my style. I will just start with these first, being that I will be wearing it throughout the whole video with every piece that I'll be trying on. I got these in a size USA 8. They fit pretty well. They're slightly loose. I don't mind the fit of it. They're high-waisted. I love high-waisted jeans. Slightly loose, it goes with everything. It is ripped. It is extremely ripped. I will put a clip on either side so you can see how it looks. It's super high-waisted. I have a high torso. I am tall, and it stops like right at my belly button, which is pretty good. So these jeans, they're pretty good. Extremely ripped. I really like these. Okay, so now for the tops. I mostly got tops. I only got one bottom in Zara because I gained a little weight, as most of us probably did. So I wasn't quite sure with my sizing, so I only ordered one pant. So we will, well, I should say jeans. So we will be using these jeans throughout the whole video with all of these tops, so you can see how pretty versatile this jeans can be. So the next top I have here is this white bodysuit. We all know these bodysuits. We see them. Everyone has them. It's a Zara basic. The only thing I don't like is that I got it in a size large. They did not have my size, which is a medium. So this top is a little bit loose on me. For the sake of this video, I did wear these tops with a strapless bra, but I will probably go ahead and wear it without a bra because it does have a double lining, so you won't really be able to see through it. I am, I'll say I'm kind of flat-chested, so it does not look too bad with me being braless. I mean, it's okay. So I also picked this up in a nude. So if I see something and I like it, I'll pick it up in every color that I can have, but these were the only two that had my size. It was pretty much sold out. I was able to get this nude one in a medium, which fits lovely. I love how this fits. I wish I had gotten the white one in a medium also. I just feel like it would have fit so much better, but I'll make it do. It is what it is. Wear it with some jeans, like I style it in the clip. So that's pretty much how I will put it together. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. I am normally running errands with my kids, so I'll more than likely have it on with flats or even sandals, or if I'm going out with my husband, I will slide on some little heels in there. So my next piece, these top I am in love with. First off, they're high neck. I love high necks, and it has zipper detail. I love that. You can wear this shirt so many ways. So, and I must also say the color is, I don't really like color, but my favorite color is red. So I saw this and I had to get it. Guys, this shirt, me holding it up does no justice for it. I will have it on in the clip showing you how it fits. This red is gorgeous. It's like a it's just really bright. I don't know how to explain it. It's just a really bright red, and it goes really nice with my complexion. It will go nice with anyone's complexion. It just pops. It makes your skin just pop. I love that you can zip this down and you can wear it, you know, showing a little cleavage, or you can zip it up and don't show no cleavage. You know, you depends on both worlds. Whichever way you rather wear your top, you can wear it that way. So like I stated, if I like one thing, I normally get it in another size, or I mean color. So I did get this also in a black. It's pretty much the same thing, same size. I got them both in a size medium. You can zip it down show cleavage, don't show cleavage, whatever floats your boat. But these tops, they're extremely stretchy. I'm happy I got a medium. I wouldn't size down, I wouldn't size up, I would stick to your regular size. So my next piece, believe it or not, it is a pajama top. I saw it on the website and it did not strike me as a pajama top, so I went ahead and I picked it up, and it's a little bit out of my comfort zone. I don't really wear much colors or much print, but I saw this and I just thought it would be so cute, worn oversized with some ripped jeans like I styled it in the clip. It is this top. Do you believe this is a pajama? It does not look like pajamas. It's like a linen material. It's very airy. You know, you can wear it in a nice hot summer day and you won't be hot. I love how this fits. I love that I sized up. I did get this in a size large. You can get your regular size and it will fit still a little bit loose, but I wanted it to be more on a baggy side because it's extremely cropped, and I just love baggy crop tops tucked into your jeans. I just think it just makes it look so much better. So I did size up with it. So this top, beautiful top. And the next piece that I got is this top. Guys, this shirt was a struggle to get into. When I say struggle, I mean struggle. You put this on, then you do your hair and your makeup. But fun fact, there's a zipper on the side, and I did not find the zipper until after I took the shirt off. But as you see in the clip, I also paired it with those jeans, and I love this top. It's really cute. It's also really crop. I'm not really into crop tops this crop that much, but I really like how this fit. Especially, I did size up with this also. I got a size large, and I'm happy I got a size large because, like I stated, I do have a longer torso, so things tend to be a tad bit shorter on me. So me sizing up, I think I love the way how it fits. It's loose with the baggy ripped jeans, some heels. This is a look, guys. This is. So I will go into shoes. My sizing with Zara is like all over the place when it comes to shoes. I'm normally 8.5 in shoes. I ordered all of my shoes on Zara in a size 9. So first I will start with these flats. I saw these and I fell in love with them, but I don't know. I don't know if I love them on. I did get a size 9 in these. I wish I had gotten a size 8 because I feel like it's like a lot of space in my shoes in these sandals. But my only concern is I don't want to size down and then my toes or my heels are hanging off the shoes. Guys, that's not a look, and I don't want that to be a look for me. So I don't know. I hate returning things. I hate doing exchanges. I'm pretty sure I'll probably return these because they're just too big and it's like really flappy on my feet, and I don't like walking and you just hear flap every minute. It's not my thing. So these are really cute. They're really gold. They're really flat. But I think they run, I feel like they run big. I am not sure. Like I stated, my sizes with Zara shoes are like really iffy. Normally I get a size 8. It will fit me a little bit tight or exact, and I don't really like my shoes to be exact. So if you know how Zara fits you, stick to your size with these flats. The next pair of shoes that I got are these. I'm not really sure what these are called. I normally call them the plastic heels. I am not really into these, but I saw these. They were a little bit different, and I just like that they're on a darker side. So I don't know, I'm just not really into the whole plastic heel look, if you get what I'm saying. I don't know, it's just my preference. I've never gotten into it. I don't own a pair. I saw these and I thought I'll just try them out. It's a little bit different from what you normally see. So I went ahead and picked these up. I did get these in a size 9. They do fit perfectly. I am happy I got a size 9 in these because if I did get a size 8 in these, they definitely would have been too small on my feet. I have not worn them out yet, so I cannot say as far as the comfort, but just from me wearing it around in the house, doing a try on, it is pretty comfortable. It's easy to walk in. You see the heels go in, so that makes it a tad bit easy for you to walk in, but I mean they're heels, so you can expect to be super comfortable all night in them. But I do recommend these. I do like them. They're really cute. They're really different. I love the color. It's like a I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it's kind of like a purplish color, but they're really cute. I do like these a lot. Okay, so the next pair that I got are these black mules. I don't own any mules, so I figured I'll go ahead and pick some up. I never really bought them much because I do have a high arch in my feet, and I feel like these type of shoes, my feet tend to like slide down in them, so I like something with more, like something that's more secure, like a strap that will keep my feet in place. So I saw these. I actually think I got these on sale. I am not quite sure how much they were. I think I got them on sale for like $9. So I was like, okay, why not? Surprisingly, I actually really like these. They are really cute. It comes pretty high up. The heels are a decent height. They're high. They're higher than the other heels I showed before these. They're also pretty comfortable, surprisingly, even with the heels being this high. They're not bad to walk in. I don't recommend this if you're someone in the city walking around with it. The heels are pretty skinny, but they seem to be pretty comfortable for the most part if you're not going to be doing a lot of walking, a date night, you know. These are cute. I really like these. Okay guys, so that's it for this Zara haul. Thank you for tuning in, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button if you would like to see more videos like this. Bye.